All right. GIB, New York Stock Exchange, CGI Group Incorporated. My usual. Wait, that's weekly candles. There you go. My usual 10 years worth of data, monthly candles. I like monthly candles because they slow everything down. I play breakouts when a monthly candle closes above a breakout line. And I don't play often just because of that. There's less patterns on the monthly than on the weekly, and on the daily there's even more. Right now there seemed to be a breakout back in July 2017 or just before, and the measured move was top to bottom. When the range is tight, 46 to 49, that's less than 10%. Over a year, you could probably anticipate that move to be double the traditional target for this type of consolidation. If you're greedy, maybe 3 times. But this is a very, very nice launching pattern. A++ setups are most likely have this tight range, giving you a better risk to reward when you get in. And today, what's up here? Is this a top in forming? 57.50 about, and the bottom support would be here. So this would be, if I would use a little bit of my imagination, give me some black space to think. If I use my imagination, this could be a potential rectangle, either continuation. If we manage to breach, have a close above 57.50, giving a target of 62.50, or we have a close below 52.50 and giving me a target of $48 about. And what I like about that, it coincides with a wall. That's a previous resistance turn support, or support turn resistance. And that gives you a congestion area where it's going to slow down your price action. So if I had a bigger pattern here, if I further target in, let's say target was, and I could have said, oh, hold on, I have to run through this congestion area. Either I misread the pattern, or I'm taking just a bigger pattern, which I should be maybe looking more at the closer launching taking off pattern to get a closer target. Closer targets are more probably reached than further targets. Might not give you maybe the best risk to reward ratio, but they give you a higher chance of reaching that possible target. Had some few alerts for GIB. One there at the target. So you pretty see me coming there. My speech for this one is going to be wait. It's probably chaos on the weekly or daily chart, but on the monthly it slows everything down. I have the whole month we have to wait for this to stir a little bit. Very too early to tell. Right now it's still bullish trend. Seems to be an ascending channel. But if there's no more candles, it's going to go test the top of the ascending channel line around here. Then this could be a falling wedge, which you'll see there. But independently, I like falling wedges or rising wedges. They have nice far targets, and when you break out of them, it gives you nice risk to reward. But I always play them. I want a horizontal line takeoff pattern. So if I break out of the falling wedge, I wouldn't use this traditional line you would use to say you're breaking out, the slanted line. I give less value to that as resistance. I would wait for a rectangle here to sideways move out of it, and then a break down below that. And eventually you'd have a target of the rising wedge is its start. So maybe this is a conservative start of it. Around the 42.50 level. And if you're really, really greedy, it's going to be here, back to the beginning, the real base right here, 37.50. So that's the possibilities I see for CGI. And the RSI is still, see no divergence of the RSI. Higher highs and higher highs here. Oof, all right. If we want to have a little fun and get our heart racing, I'm going to go on the weekly. Ooh la la. And on the weekly, what we have is pretty much of the same. Let's go on the 1 year daily. A lot of noise. All right. So on the daily, see, all this might seem like a steep fall, but when you take perspective and you move yourself back in higher frames, this is just one more candle, and they just add on. And in the grand scheme of things, when you have a lot of data, it's a lot less stressful working with these long-term candles. A lot less whipsaws and better sleep at night. For me, anyways, that is the appeal of the trading framework that I have set up right now. All right, so that's pretty much it for GIB. Alerts are set, and just a question of waiting for the correct time to get back in there. All right, see you next time.